Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this is a quick video on how to invite students to your class who already have Ellii accounts. So let's get started. Once you've logged in, click Classroom from the top banner and click Classes from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to your classroom page. Click the title of the class you'd like to add the student to. In the top right corner, you'll see the class code for your class. Give this code to your students, whether that's verbally or online through email or messenger, for example. Your student can then go to ellii.com/students and click Login. Once they've logged in, they can click Join a Class in the top right corner, enter the code you gave them, and click Join to be added to your class. That's it for this video on how to invite students to your class who already have Ellii accounts. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.